So I just finished watching a film, and it made me wonder about the moments that stay with you. You know, the ones that feel like everyone's life, not just someone's story. Maybe stories don't actually end. Maybe they just fade into memory. Isn't it weird how sitting in the dark with strangers can make you feel less alone? Anyway, let's go to the cinema tomorrow.